What's going on, everybody? Jonathan here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Oberlo app with Shopify to start dropshipping. I'm going to show you guys how I set up the app, how I find products from AliExpress with Oberlo, and then how I fulfill those orders. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys a couple ways that I adjust the settings, which make my life a ton easier when I'm using the Oberlo app to dropship with Shopify. In order to get started, you're going to need a Shopify account. If you haven't signed up for Shopify yet, I'll leave a link down below for a free 2-week trial. All right, let's go ahead and hop in to the Oberlo app. So we're here in my Shopify dashboard, and we're gonna head over to the apps section where we can first download and install the Oberlo app. The landing page here tells us about a few of the cool features that the Oberlo app has to offer. So let's go ahead and add this app to my Shopify store. And once we've agreed to give the app access to our Shopify store, we can go ahead and hit install app. This will take us to our Oberlo dashboard, and the first thing that we're going to want to do here is start looking for products to add to our Shopify store. After clicking on Explore Products, we'll be taken to a bunch of product listings, most of which are coming directly from AliExpress. Later in the video, I'll show you how to add the Chrome extension for the Oberlo app so that you can easily add products and import them directly from AliExpress.com without having to go through the Oberlo dashboard. I'm looking for a product that's cheap, has a lot of good ratings, and that I think will appeal to my customer base. I also like products that offer e-packet shipping. These swim trunks look cool, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the product listing. Once I've confirmed that the product meets my specifications, I'll hit Add to Import List. I can then head over to the import list and review some of the product details before adding it to my Shopify store. I like to make some adjustments to the product title here. I also like to add some tags and possibly add a type to the product listing. I'll then add a brief product description, and we may want to come back and add more later, but this will work just fine for now. Now we'll head over to the variants section where we can change the prices for this product. I like to set a new value to make sure that I get a round number, and we can also change the compared at price to make it higher than our listing price for the item. Doing so will list the product as on sale in our Shopify store. If we don't want the product to be on sale, then we'll simply make the compared at price the same as our listing price. Let's head over to images and make sure that we've selected all of the images that we'd like to import to our Shopify store. Once we've finalized all of these changes, we'll hit the Import to Store button to go ahead and populate that product in our Shopify store. This will pull up our product listing, which, as you can see, has a product description, all of the images that we've selected, and multiple variants, each with a unique SKU for the different sizes and colors of swim trunks listed. Let's make a few last changes to the product description and then save this listing. Now let's take a look at how to fulfill orders with the Oberlo app. From our dashboard, we can see that we've had one sale. Now let's head back over to apps and click on the Oberlo app. From the dashboard, we'll click on To Order, and from here we'll be prompted to install the Oberlo extension for Google Chrome. This will take us to the Chrome web store where we can easily add the extension. We'll then head back to the Oberlo dashboard where we can visit the Manage Orders section and proceed to fulfill our order by clicking on the Order Product button. From here, the Oberlo app does most of the heavy lifting. It will automatically add the correct product to cart and then populate the shipping information with our customer's shipping info. I always leave a message here for the supplier, letting them know not to leave any branded inserts in the packaging. Later in the video, I'll show you how to automatically add this message to all orders using the Oberlo app. Once we've confirmed that we have the correct product, correct shipping address, and correct payment info, we can go ahead and place this order manually. After the order has been placed, the Oberlo app will then sync the order information. If we head back to the Oberlo dashboard, we can see that this order is now listed as in processing. If at any point we want to check on the status of this order, we'll head over to Manage Orders and then click on the Ali order number. This will take us to the order details page at aliexpress.com where we can track our shipment info if we'd like. Now let's tweak a few of the settings in the Oberlo app. The first thing that we'll do is notify our customers as soon as an order is fulfilled. We'll then set auto updates for our Shopify store when a product is no longer available, when a variant is no longer available, and when changes are made to the inventory level by our suppliers. Now let's head over to the suppliers section where we'll make a few changes. First, we'll update the default shipping method to e-packet for faster shipping times. Then we'll add a custom note to our suppliers, which you saw earlier on the AliExpress order page. This will let our supplier know that we are dropshipping and not to add any personalized or branded labels or inserts on the product. The last feature that we'll briefly cover is adding products directly from AliExpress.com now that we have installed the Oberlo Chrome browser extension. We can do so by simply clicking on a product that we like and then finding the Oberlo button at the bottom right hand corner of the screen and hitting that button. This product will be added to our import list, and then we can easily pull up that product within the Oberlo dashboard and make edits before adding it to our Shopify store, just as we did earlier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Shopify updates.